I got tired of my cats jumping up and opening doors by hanging on the handles. Seriously, every day felt like a game of hide and seek. I'll close the door, and a few minutes later, they'll be right back at it. That's when I came across this easy to use door handle lock, and honestly speaking, it makes a big difference in our daily routine. It comes as a pack of two, which is super convenient if you need more than one. I have already installed one on our most used door, and it's holding up pretty well. It's made from sturdy, high quality plastic, so it's not flimsy like some other options. You can tell it's built to last and it can handle regular use even in a busy home. What I really love is the versatility. It not only keeps the cats from sneaking into places they shouldn't be, but it's also perfect for child safety. It's a great way to block off rooms you'd rather keep off limits, like bedrooms during nap time, storage closets, or anywhere your child curiosity might lead them. Installing it was super easy. It took less than a minute. No tools, no screws, and no damage to the door. You just peel off the backing, stick it in place, and that's it. And when you want to use it, it couldn't be much easier. Just slide to lock, slide to unlock. It's smooth and secure, but still easy for an adult can operate with one hand. If you're looking for a hassle-free, damage-free solution to keep your pets and toddlers out of certain rooms, I definitely recommend giving this a try. It's practical, it's affordable, and it works.